What are you doing? What is that? What is... No. Why are you here? Bird. Leave me alone, bird. What's going on, guys? Today, we're going to be playing a game called Garten of BanBan. And I haven't heard much about this game, but I saw it on the Steam store for free. So I just decided, why not? You know? So let's hop into a new game. Don't know what to expect, but let's do it. Okay, for a parent looking for their missing child, this is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Okay, the door's open. There's smoke, okay. And the lights turned off. Okay. So I'm assuming we're gonna load in and the lights are off? No. No, that is not true at all. Hold WASD or arrows for movement. Okay, so basic movement. Press E to interact with objects. Okay, alright. Alright, what is this? Okay, I guess we got a key card. Hold shift to sprint. Okay. Boots. Alright. I'm guessing the blue key card goes with this. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's a drone. I want a drone. What is this? I wonder what this is. Can I open this with this? This remote requires 2 batteries, okay? Is this a note? Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Me and the monster? Claire. Who is Claire? Why doesn't she like you? Why can't I... Can I escape from this? Okay. Okay, so... Claire likes this girl because she's fighting a monster. So I need 2 batteries. Where can I find 2 batteries? Is this a battery? Okay, there's a battery. Oh, here's another one. Alright. So we got 2 batteries. So now we can use this, which I don't know what it goes to. Oh, it's a drone. Press left mouse button to use your toy. Press right mouse button to teleport toy to the nearest room. Okay. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. Alright. So, can I open... Oh, I can fly the drone to where I want it to go? Oh, okay, okay. I get it. So, does that open now, or... Oh, wait, no. I probably have to press that. Yeah. No? You won't do it? Why is it red? Okay, so this opens that door. I just had to... I'm the biggest bird. Who are you? What are you doing? Go check out that man. What is he doing? I don't like the way he's looking at me. Bye-bye. Oh, and there he goes. Okay. The end is here. What kind of little kid? Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go in there. So guess I can't enter through. Is that glass? Oh, that's some really clear glass. The toy can be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. I don't know if I want to go in the naughty corner. Did I just kick that chair? I didn't know. Oh my goodness. I can throw these all over the place. Yeah, get out of my way. Oh! Oh, wait. I didn't know there's... Okay. Come here. There you go. It's a tree. I can't see. What does this button do? Can you press this button, please, for me? Because I can't reach it. Press the button. Just do it. Just press it. Yeah, okay. So, okay. I have a key card. Is there a way I can go in my inventory or something? Settings, controls. Oh, interact. Okay. Okay. See, this was the bird that looked at me over here. Oh, Opelia bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Ball pit is closed. 6 eggs. Alright, let's get 6 eggs. Oh, I found one. Climb this. Let me get this egg. My egg. Yeah, wait, press this button, dude. Go ahead, press it. There we go. What does that do? Oh, it gives me the egg right away. Alright. It needs 6 eggs, so I found 2 eggs. Okay. Here's another one. Okay, so here's another egg that's... There's a 5, I think. There's no way there's another egg. Are you serious? How did I not see this? Oh my goodness. Alright. Alright, do I get my prize? What is that? What are you? Ew. Claim your reward at the mouth. Alright, I got a yellow key card. Oh. Okay. Wait, I have a yellow key card. So does that mean I can turn on the button? Okay. Come here, drone. Come here, drone. Dude, this drone is so buggy. Get out of... The tree is right there. You know you see the tree. I know you see the tree. Alright, now come here. This drone. Oh, alright. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now hit the button. There you go. Okay, so no distraction at 1.
Whatever that mean.
Now I got a hammer. How do I go to my hammer? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Don't. Okay. Just follow me, drone. Okay. Now come with me. What is it doing? Oh, Jesus. Oh wait, I could just teleport the drone. I don't know if I trust it. But you know what? I'll just do it. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. What was my color? Oh my... Listen, I'm gonna be honest. I know your color. Your color is green. You are green. Okay. You were purple. I know you were purple. You... Pink. Actually, I don't know what you were. Please, bro. For love. I gotta go back now. These two look the same. You know, I'm so lazy, I'm just gonna look it up on my phone. Alright. So it's right on these. But he... Oh. He is red. Oh, Jesus. He is red, and she is white. Okay, she is white, and then he is orange. I think. That is all. Okay. All right, and okay. So no, 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 don't leave, don't leave, don't leave.
Hi, I'm Paul.
What do you do? What is that? What is no? Why are you here? Why are you following me? What are you doing? Okay, okay, okay. What is this? What is this? I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. I'm putting this away. Hold on, get me out of here. I read it. Ah! Oh, what are you doing? 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 Get away from me. Get away from me. Go do something with that bird. Go do something with that bird. Bird, leave me alone, bird. Oh my goodness. This bird just scared. Why is there an S on the screen? This bird just scared the ever-living Jesus out of me. Let me be reincarnated. Reincarnated. Yep. Press E. I already pressed E. Okay, so it's gonna bring this bird over. Okay. I'm gonna read it. What's good, bird? When is this gonna turn? When is this gonna turn? Turn. Already, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go! 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 No, I'm dead. That music gets me. I don't... R. S-R. We have an S and an R. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got chills right now. Okay, okay, okay. Dude. Everyone now have a party without me. I miss Mason, but see you guys scared because all of that. Okay. This bird, dude, get over. I didn't know he could kill me like that. H. S-R-H. What is that? S-R-H. That doesn't spell anything. Maybe reincarnated. Oh, reincarnated, not reincarcerated. Bozo. Go over there. Alright, this thing is gonna chase me. Get away from me, dude. Stop it. Come on. Press it. Press it. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Bro, are you... S-R-H-R. Surah. Surahura. I don't know. Go. 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 As soon as he gets off, go. As soon as he gets off, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Get off of here. Is he chasing? He's chasing after me! Go. Go, 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 go! Ah! What do I do? What do I do? I'm getting cramps. What is it? Why is it a sad face? Why is it a sad face? Did I fail? I failed the game. Press E. I pressed E. Why is it a sad face? S-R-H-R. Sad face. What does that mean? Go. As soon as he gets off, you're gonna press that button. As soon as he gets off, you're pressing that button. Dude, my heart is so... It's in my freaking... Oh, my heart is pounding. Alright, go, 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 go. He's gonna chase me. He's gonna chase me. Go. Press it. Dude, I'm not... Press it! Alright, go, 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 go. As soon as... Hold shift to sprint. I'm holding it. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What do I do? What do I do? S-R-H-R, smiley, sad face, I. What do I do? That's an honest question. What am I supposed to do? Okay, press that button as soon as you, what do I do? Can I like press E on him or something? Like I literally have no idea what to do. Press it. 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 You stupid drone. Go. Like I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. What am I meant to do? It's just giving me an eye. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, as soon as it turns green, we're going. As soon as it turns green, we're going. Go. Yeah! 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 Oh my gosh. My heart, dude. Now what? Now what's the objective? I don't know what the objective is now. Now that I beat that guy, I have no clue what to do now. So where do I go now? I have an orange card. Was I able to go in here before? Oh, here's the orange card. Okay. So there's a purple card. Can I get in here? No. No. I have an orange card now. Okay. Alright, come over here into this room. Alright, there you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Boarding pass. Name Uthman Adam. Interesting name. Class E. Montreal. MTL. Seat D2. DSTN. Madrid. MDD. Don't even know what that is. Date 23/10/2016. That was a long time ago. Whew. Alright, let me get out of here. Okay, I can open that. What does that do? Oh, it grants you permission. Alright, I'm gonna pause the game right here.